Resort. The town is renowned for its Mabuyog Festival, vibrant celebrations showcasing the community's rich culture and traditions. Mainit is also famous for its local delicacies, particularly espasol and sayuksong, which are well loved by locals and visitors alike. In recent years, tourism has flourished, attracting visitors to the stunning natural attractions such as Mapaso Wellness Resort, a popular hot spring resort offering therapeutic relaxation. Tugunan Falls, a breathtaking waterfall nestled in lush greenery found in Barangay Mabayag. Farmers Garden and Resort, a peaceful retreat showcasing the town's agricultural beauty such as our beautiful flowers, garden, and a lot of things. Bandawan View, a scenic spot offering panoramic views of Mainit's landscape. Mount Buhangin, a hiking and trekking destination for adventurous seekers. Lake Mainit, a vast and serene body of water, rich in biodiversity. Kasili Lakeside Resort and Hotel, a recreational resort that enhances Mainit's lakeside experience. While Mainit is a beautiful and progressive town, living here does come with challenges, and I would like to talk that later on. Lake Mainit. I would like also to introduce to you Lake Mainit, the jewel of the North. Lake Mainit is the fourth largest lake in the Philippines